Need a new evening snack that's warm, sweet, and ready in no time? This Korean pancake is a must try, especially if you have kids in your home. They are going to love it. There's just something so comforting about every single bite. Today, we're making a simple version of a Korean sweet pancake called hot deok, and you'll be amazed at how easily it comes together with ingredients you already have at home. Shall we start? First, in a large bowl, pour in some lukewarm water. To this, we'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of dry yeast. Just give it a gentle whisk for a minute and then let it sit. In about 3 to 5 minutes, you'll see the magic happen. Wow, look at that. You can see the yeast blooming and getting frothy. That means it's active and ready to go. Now, into the same bowl, add 2 cups of maida, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 more tablespoons of sugar. Finish with a tablespoon of cooking oil and gently start to knead it all together into a dough. Now, don't panic if your dough feels really sticky. Finally, apply a little oil on top, cover it with a cling wrap or a lid, and let it rest for about an hour to rise and get that lovely flavor. In a blender, drop in an inch of fragrant cinnamon, about 10 cashews, 2 teaspoons of roasted peanuts, a tablespoon of white sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of palm jaggery. Now just pulse it 2 or 3 times until you have a beautiful coarse powder. Let's keep this aside and go check on our dough. Just look at how beautifully our dough has risen. You can see all the air pockets, and when you touch it, it feels so fluffy and light. Let's gently press it down and knead it for another 3 to 5 minutes. After that, just divide the dough into 4 or 6 even-sized fluffy balls. Grease your hands with little oil, take 1 ball and flatten it with your palm to make a thick circle. Now take a generous spoonful of our nutty mixture and place it right in the center. Gently gather the dough from all sides to form a little pouch or a potli and seal it tightly at the top. Now gently flatten it again with your fingers, just like you would for a puran poli. Be patient here, as the dough is very soft. It's okay if it's not perfectly round. Let's get cooking. Heat a pan on medium flame, pour in a tablespoon of oil, and gently place our flattened pancake into the pan. As it starts to cook, you'll see it beautifully puffing up. Now, using a spatula, press it down gently. This helps to spread the filling and make the outside extra crispy. Flip it over and cook until both sides are a gorgeous golden brown and wonderfully aromatic. Take it out from the pan and serve it hot. This makes for a delicious and surprising after-school snack for your kids. Follow us to surprise your family with more quick, easy, and alluring snack recipes, just like this Korean pancake. We'd love to know what you thought of this recipe. Let us know in the comments what country's cuisine we should explore next. And if you're looking for more amazing snack ideas, click on our Snack Time Favorites playlist right here on the screen. See you there. Like and subscribe to Spice Pot Club for more authentic recipes. Happy cooking!